Zhengzhou SANQ Group Machinery and Equipment Company Limited, founded in 1999, brings 27 years of expertise in construction equipment manufacturing and 27 years of export experience. Production scale: 1 headquarters and 7 branch production plants, more than 20,000 square meters total, with fully equipped workshops for raw material processing, robotic welding assembly, painting, testing, warehousing, and shipping. Our service system, including cost advantage. Optimization reduces manufacturing costs by over 15% for customers. Quality assurance. Factory-level control ensures reliable machines and make more profits for clients. One-stop customization. Equipment, layout, parts, and installation tailored to client needs. Shipping. Over 15 long-term, first-tier freight forwarders ensure safe, timely delivery. After-sales support. 24-hour online technical support, responding promptly to customer. Part supply. Free spare parts delivered within 7 days. Global reach. Exported to over 30 countries, including the US, Switzerland, Brazil, Russia, Australia, and across Africa and Southeast Asia. We serve over 100 new customers every year. Certifications. We hold multiple international certifications, including ISO and CE. Our dedicated certification department provides customized certification services tailored to customer requirements. Main products: concrete batching plants, concrete mixer trucks, concrete boom pumps, concrete trailer pumps, self-loading mixer trucks, concrete mixer pumps, block machines, asphalt plant, and stabilized soil plants, and related equipment. You are cordially invited to visit our factory for the most competitive solutions.